What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over the easiest way to do CPA marketing in 2025. Literally, if you watch this whole entire video and you can't set up this type of campaign, or you can't make money with this, not even a freaking nickel, then don't even try CPA marketing. Just jump and try something else that may be your speed, because I'm telling you, this is the easiest way. So let's just dive right into it. You guys know I don't like to waste time. What you're not going to need is a website or anything. I'm making this so simple. No website needed, no domain needed. Literally, you can have a small budget. I'm talking about if you got 20, 50 bucks, $100, you can do this, right? You don't need any experience, and free tools are available. So you don't even need any paid tools or anything like that. No competitive research, no competitive intelligence tools are needed or anything. And it's going to be unlimited traffic. Literally, you can get as much traffic as you want. So all you got to do is, once you have this set up for literally the littlest budget possible, all you got to do is just be able to generate some type of cash flow in your life, whether you have a job or whatever, so that you can fund your campaigns. Because yes, this is not a free traffic strategy. I don't teach free traffic. If you're familiar with this channel, if you're not, you go through all my videos. I never, not once in 7 years, made a video about free traffic, because I don't believe in free traffic. And the reason I don't believe in free traffic is because that's when I wasn't getting results in my business, was when I was focused on free traffic, guys. When I switch, and a lot of you guys want to just jump to like where you see the super affiliates at, like maybe the Facebook ads or the TikTok ads. Guys, I'm telling you, this method that I'm about to talk about in this video, this is where I started. These type of campaigns is what formed my idea around CPA marketing, and how I was able to understand optimization better and stuff like that. So I was able to move into stuff like Facebook ads, Google ads, and stuff like that once I had the foundations of CPA marketing down. But a lot of you guys want to focus on all aspects of CPA when you're first getting started. You know what I'm saying? Building the websites and landing pages and making ads and, gathering UGCs to create content for you or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Bigger budget campaigns, you know what I'm saying, when you kind of got a tight budget. And it's like, guys, literally, I'm giving you everything you're gonna need to get started, right? For like literally free tools, everything. So just follow along this whole entire video. This is literally what I did when I first got into CPA marketing. Paid ads, right? When I stopped spamming groups and posting Craigslist classified ads and stuff like that, and was making probably $50 a day. But it was black hat, because you're not supposed to be doing that. So I was getting banned off CPA networks, all that stuff, to where you see me at today, being able to run paid traffic on a daily basis and generate massive results for myself, to where I'm able to live my dream life and not have to work a job, and just like literally just chill in life and like not have no worries, pretty much work 1 to 2 hours a day. This is what's possible with things like CPA, right? Let's just dive right into it. These are the accounts that are needed. You're gonna need a YTZ account. I'll be putting that link below in the description. You're gonna be needing a BMob account. That's gonna be your tracking software. It's free to use. And you're also gonna need an ad cash funded account. So this is where you're gonna put your budget, and this is gonna be the traffic account. And I know I said you could start with as little as like $20, $50, but honestly, when it comes to ad cash, you are gonna have to fund your account with $100. So just kind of keep that in mind. I think the minimum deposit is $100. So apologies on that, but let's just dive right into it, right? So on YTZ, this is where we're going to get the offer, right? Guys, take action on this stuff. Don't just watch this video and then just go on to the next thing. Set this up right now. It doesn't take long. It should take you 30 minutes, 1 hour, like less than that. If you just put in work and focus, put on some binaural beats and get to work. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to pick one of these offers. You can go mainstream smart link, casino smart link. They also have other smart links available that you can apply. You can do sweepstakes smart links. They got some more here. They have a sports betting smart link. So iPhone, like whichever one that kind of speaks to you, just grab it. I'm just grab this top one that I'm accepted to right here, the casino smart link. All right, so let's just dive a little bit more into the smart link and why I say this is the easiest way to start with CPA marketing. All right, so this is the easiest way because it's basically an offer rotator, right? It's going to be different offers that pop up depending on the country, depending on the region, things like that. They're going to basically show the offer that's most likely to convert for the particular audience that you target. So it's payouts vary by offer and country. So it's going to be different payouts on this link and different things like that, depending on the country that you're targeting. So I say when you set up the campaign, set up one campaign per country, right? So usually there'll be a banner here with all the top countries. I'm not sure what's going on, if it's this actual computer right here. But usually there's a banner here that shows above this paragraph that shows the top countries that it's converting in. So the first countries that I say test out when it comes to this link is the top countries that pop up here, right? And I'm not sure if it's just this browser, but it should still be a feature that's here because I saw it the other day, so it should still work. All right, another thing you can do since that's not working is we can go to Chat GPT. All right, so once we're on Chat GPT, we can say top gambling countries, and this is how we can find countries that people are most interested in gambling. So it says United States, China, Japan, Italy, Australia. So when it comes to these countries, I would target the top 10. And of course, you can dive more into it, but you can see they spend billions of dollars annually. Well, billions of dollars are lost to gambling annually in these countries. So of course, United States, we like to gamble a lot. So you can target the US, but I'm just going to tell you, when it comes to ad networks like this, it's going to be more expensive targeting US traffic. So to make this easier on yourself, I say pick a country that's outside the top 5, right? So the top 5 being, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, United States. What we would do, I would target most likely like Germany, France, Spain. I would start targeting like these countries down here because they're more than likely the cheapest. When it comes to Europe, I found success with most of these smart link campaigns when I do target Europe. So that's just a little tip right there. All right, so we're on BMob, and I'm gonna show you how easy and simple it is to set up a campaign using this tracker. It's a free tracker, so make sure you have this account ready to go. So let's just dive right into affiliate networks, because this is what we're going to want to do first, is add the affiliate network. So we're going to go new from template. As you can see, YTZ pops up automatically. It's a popular network. So we're just going to click YTZ next, and what you want to do is make sure a pin BMob click ID value is selected, and you're going to want to copy this postback URL. So let's copy that. Then we're going to go back into YTZ, and we're going to add a postback. So add account level postback, and that postback that we just copied, we'll copy that. We'll just make sure do it like that. HTTP, so it's not erroring out or anything, and all this optional stuff, just going to delete that. So this is what it should look like. We're going to create postback, so it should look something like that with your BMob tracker ID. All right, and once you have that, you're going to click save. So now you added your affiliate network. So next thing you want to do is move into offers and add in the actual offer, right? So we're going to come right back into here, Casino Smart Link, copy that, paste that here, affiliate network YTZ. We're going to go back to here, generate the S1 token. So the S1 token is just a tracking parameter. So let's just generate that, but we're not going to copy that. We're going to copy everything up into the equal sign. And the S1 token just is what they're going to append that click ID to that we just selected. According, we already appended the click ID with the S1 parameter. So all you're doing is just adding a S1 parameter with our URL. And if we didn't have this selected, what we'll have to do is click it right here to add the click ID. So this is kind of how it looks. But because we already selected it on the affiliate network level, we don't have to do that. So don't do it twice, just do it once, right? And then there's the postback URL again, just in case we want to add that back into YTZ. They give it to you again, and you just save that. Now you have your casino smart link, and now we want to add the traffic source, which is going to be add cache. Go new from template. Once again, it should be here, add cache. Here it is here. We're going to go add cache, and it should pop up all the tokens here. So you can see all the things you can optimize for. There's even more you can optimize for, as you see all the available tokens here. Payout, connection type, country, browser, device model. It's just so much you can optimize for on this traffic platform. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. So that's what I'm gonna recommend it in this actual video instead of just the same old Zero Park, because some of you guys probably want some different traffic sources other than Zero Park. So let's just hit save on that. Now we have our traffic sources. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create the actual campaign. So you see how fast and easy this is. It's really not that hard. You just need to get in the flow, so you can just, go through all the steps. It's really simple. You don't have to build a landing page and all that. So it makes it really, really simple. So remember, we went to Chat GPT and we got the top countries that are gambling. So I'm going to do the first country, Germany. That's going to, we just select this first. So let's just, Germany. So let's name it Ad Cash Germany. And then it's going to be a built-in flow, but we're going to turn off landing pages. We're going to add the offer in right here, and we're just going to call it casino. It's going to be Ad Cash Germany Casino, and this is going to be a mobile campaign. I'm only going to target mobile devices. And if you want it, like say you're going to do iPhone, you can do like iPhones, or if you're going to do Android, you can do Android. Or However you optimize for when you're starting a campaign, just go ahead and throw that in the name, but we're just gonna keep it at mobile and keep it pretty broad on the test. Um, just as an example purpose. So it's gonna be a direct linking type campaign. That's really all you have to do. So let's just save that. And this is gonna be your links right here. So you can test the URL using this link. We're just gonna grab that campaign URL or keep it right there and just let's jump right into ad cache. And we're gonna be naming this, smart link mobile. And we can just kind of name it the same thing, Germany ad cache. So we already on ad cache. All right, so Germany casino smart link mobile. All right, something really, really simple. So let's just make sure we only target mobiles. We can target all type of stuff. Just wanted to show you the options right there. Okay, we're gonna do a selected country, and we're gonna go Germany. Okay, and even we wanted to optimize for a certain region in Germany, we can do all the regions right here. You can see you can target like certain regions, because as you can see, you could be profitable in a certain region in Germany, unprofitable in certain regions. So in certain regions, you can take them out your campaign and only target the profitable ones. And that's more into optimization and stuff like that. So as we go along setting up this campaign, show you guys ways that you can optimize this campaign and what to look for once your campaign is generating data and stuff like that. So as you can see, there's a lot of sources. So you have pop under supply sources, display, native supply, in-page push, and intersexual. So let me just take off intersexual. We don't want display. We're going to take off the push. So the new supply sources, just take that off. Don't want to test out any of that traffic. All right, when it comes to interest, we're just going to keep all that selected. We're going to keep all the website. We're not going to optimize for categories, but what we'll be able to see is which categories are converting best. And we could just target gambling categories. If you want, you could just go straight gambling. That's making it more refined. How I usually do it is I set up multiple. So I would set up one campaign that's similar like this, and I would set up a user interest campaign, and then I would set up a website category campaign. So I would only test these out like differently, like either user interest as its own campaign, website category as its own campaign, if I did want to make it more targeted. So that's just another tip on making that more optimized. Of course, devices. So I'm going to target all devices, Android, iPhone, all together. But if you wanted to, exclude, what you can do is you can say target only, and then you can target certain operating systems names and versions, certain browser names. So you can target only Chrome and stuff like that. What you'll start seeing it inside your campaign, so you'll know what are the usually like top browsers like Firefox, Chrome, stuff like that. Browser language, I wouldn't really mess with that. So I would usually only do like operating system, and you can go like target only. You can put like iPhone. You can see iOS all versions, Android all versions, or you can target certain iOS devices, and you'll be able to see which ones are the most popular. So you can just go Android and iPhone, target only those. If people got Androids or iPhones in these other countries, then most likely they have enough money probably to like gamble and stuff like that, because these aren't cheap phones, and I don't think they can get it on credit like they can do it here in America. So it's even better when you get it out there. So of course, zone list, so you can target certain zones, optimize for that, optimize for certain connection types and stuff like that. So select cellular cable, so that's like cellular data and like the Wi-Fi type data also. Apply that targeting rule and then hit next. So it says the current setting shows adult, so say no restrict adult. I didn't even see the adult on there. I guess it was in the actual category, so you want to make sure no, you don't want to select any adult. All right, so once we get to this part, what you want to do is you'll want to put your link here from BMob. So copy the campaign URL. Then we're going to put it right here. So it should pop up all your info right there. All right, so once you have that, what you're going to do is save your actual creative. And once you have that saved, pop under campaign with your link. Let's go to next. All right, so bid type, you'll want to go CPM. All right, so when it comes to the bid, I'll just do one bid per country. So we're going to go one bid per country and just click on like the average bid. And we can create bids for certain zones and stuff like that to get even more refined. Save that. Then once that's saved, conversion value, then we can set a daily budget, spread it throughout the day. So I'll just say $10, unlimited budget for the campaign. When I'm ready to cut it off, I'll just cut it off. Campaign status after validation, distribution 24/7, and this is if you want to update part. So you just want to pay attention to the times that it's converting, because you would want to day part and have certain settings, like set up a new campaign, a new day parting campaign, where it's only going to run on those select dates, those select times that are actually profitable for you. So once we have all that, just review the campaign. I think we did native, so it should pop up without like, I think we did need like some type of native ad to run on native, but I'm not gonna create any ads for this campaign. Just gonna do a particular pop under type campaign. Daily budget $10, so that's looking like about 10,000 impressions per day. We'll just see how that runs. If I need to up the budget, I'll see after the day. And then we'll just create a campaign. Once that campaign is approved, right now it's in approval, it's pending, but once it's actually approved, then they'll basically start running it, and you'll start getting data. So you'll come into BMob and you'll select your campaign, then you'll go into your reports, and once you're inside your reports, you'll be able to see all the different tokens that you're optimizing for, different connection types, browser, mobile carriers, which operating systems is converting the best for you, browsers, device types, device models, and you will want to actually optimize for those particular things. If you wanted to do more research into these type of casino offers or different type of offers on YTZ, you could do that on a campaign, and you can just kind of do more research with Adplexity or something like that, looking for different type of mobile offers that are converting, seeing if you can get some landing pages. You can test out landing pages. This was the easiest way to do CPA marketing in 2025. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys take action, set up this campaign for your actual self. And this is really simple, easy to do. Is how I started in CPA marketing. If you want to dive more in depth with this, I do have my private coaching still available. So if you're interested in that, check the link down below. Be trying to come back with more videos, you know, sometime soon, guys. I ain't gonna lie, life be lifing. I be busy, I be just living life, so it'd be hard to kind of be a consistent YouTuber. Plus, you know, I've been doing this 7 years, so it's like a lot of the videos, I feel like I gave you guys, you know, kind of a lot that you can like just start with. Like, if you need more in-depth help, like that's kind of like what my private coaching is for. So if you're the type of person where you still feel like you still can't take action, you don't have enough information, you need to like kind of talk to me one-on-one so you can like really get things going, then I'm definitely here for you. Giving you everything kind of right here in this video where you can start understand CPA marketing a little better. And then from here, these type of campaigns, you can get more into building out landing pages, making ads and things like that, and going into, you know, more expensive type traffic sources like Facebook ads and stuff like that. All right, guys, so that's all I got for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.